Hello, dear ones. Welcome to this guided meditation for attracting wealth and abundance. Today, we are going to look within ourselves and unlock the power of our minds to attract money and success. Stay with me until the end of this video. Just doing this meditation once can bring miracle into your life. Before we begin, I'd love to give you a brief explanation. Wealth and abundance are not things that belong only to those who are lucky. In fact, as the law of attraction teaches, wealth comes to those who are ready to receive it. The first step to receiving wealth is to clear our minds of any limiting beliefs and see ourselves as worthy of abundance. In this meditation, I will help you prepare your mind to attract wealth and financial success. Together, we will use visualization, positive affirmation, and deep breathing to program our minds for the energy of abundance. This meditation is enhanced with binaural beats which synchronize your brain frequencies with wealth vibration, leading you into a deeper state of relaxation and focus. For the best experience, make sure to wear headphones. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either sit or lie down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. With each inhale, imagine that positive energy and abundance are entering your body, and with each exhale, all worries and tension are leaving you. Breathe deeply. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Let go of all tension and stress. Now, focus on your body. Relax your legs, arms, shoulder, and neck. This moment is just for you. Forget about everything outside this moment. The only thing that matters is being completely calm and open to receiving new energy. Now, visualize wealth and abundance in your mind. Imagine money flowing toward you effortlessly. See images of cash, big checks, or a beautiful new home with luxurious features. Whatever represents wealth and success to you, allow it to appear vividly in your mind. See every detail clearly. Feel that all of this is already happening. Now repeat these affirmations after me with deep belief and confidence. I am worthy of receiving wealth and abundance. Money flows effortlessly into my life. I am always in the flow of money and success. financial opportunities and prosperity come to me easily and consistently. I have an open mind to receive wealth and success. All my abilities align with attracting money and abundance. I am constantly growing and thriving financially. I attract big and new financial opportunities. Every day I get closer to wealth and abundance. All my beliefs about wealth are positive and empowering. Now feel the energy of wealth surrounding you. Imagine this energy as a golden light, flowing all around you and entering your body. Feel this golden light, filling every part of your being, vibration of abundance. With every breath, this light grows stronger and brighter. Immerse yourself in this energy and trust that it will manifest in every aspect of your life. Now tell yourself, I fully trust that the universe is creating the best opportunities and wealth for me. I am on the right path and I effortlessly attract prosperity and abundance. Each time you repeat this, feel the energy of love flowing easily into your life. Let go of any doubts and allow the belief in abundance to settle deep within your mind and heart. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the positive energy is still present in your body. Know that this abundance is with you at every moment, and you are continuously moving toward greater wealth. Take a deep breath and when you are ready, gently open your beautiful eyes. Congratulations! You have sent out a powerful vibration of wealth into the universe. You can do this meditation every day to effortlessly attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Remember, you are deserving of all of the success and wealth that comes your way. Now, with a great feeling, comment below. Wealth and abundance flow effortlessly into my life. For more video, don't forget to subscribe to your channel. I love you all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.